to my channel. Today I'm just going to be doing the third and final part of my color series, which is me dyeing my hair pink. I might add on later on, but I'm not sure. This is the last color I'm doing for the summer. So my sound went out in my video, so this is why I'm doing this voiceover. So if you see me, my lips are moving, I'm talking. I was supposed to be talking to y'all in the video, but it didn't work like that. So just ignore that. But I just was brushing up my hair just to make sure it just was kind of like in a little teeny weeny afro. And once I'm done brushing my hair, I'm just going to show you guys the products that I'm using today. So first, to get my purple dye out, I use this Ion Cream bleach. It's bright white and it does 8 levels of lift. I prefer this over the old bleaches that I was using because it got all the color out in 20 to 30 minutes. And I did a full bleach, I didn't do a bleach wash. And this is the results that I got. And I still had a lot of purple in my hair and blue. So it really worked well and it didn't really damage my hair. After I did that, of course, I'm going to put my color on. So I used the Adore color 140, which is neon pink. And I'm showing you guys the swatch. It's super bright and I love that. It's so cute. So if you're a fan of bright colors, then I would definitely get this pink. Because some people want like kind of a muted pink, but I wanted something really bright and neon because it's summertime, and I do think like champagne-y pinks are cute, but I feel like that would wash out easily and then you really couldn't notice it for real. I'm just putting the color in my little color bowl, which is really just a plastic bowl from the house. And I'm mixing it with some conditioner. I always use Aussie conditioner, but I don't think it matters which conditioner you use. Just choose whatever conditioners that you normally put on your hair. Mix it together and start applying it on your head. my hair is fully saturated, I'm just going to leave it on my head for about 15 to 20 minutes because that's what the Adore colors recommend. They also recommend using heat, but I've never used heat before. I just use, you know, the grocery bag that be in the kitchen. So I'm just gonna leave it on 15 to 20 minutes and then come back with the final results. So this is the final look, you guys. I really love this color. This is probably my favorite color so far, just because I like the way that it looks on my skin. I did end up accidentally staining my hands, which I was so sorry. So make sure you guys use gloves because you don't want your hands to be super pink. It's not that hard to get out, but it's just annoying because you're going to be washing and washing and washing your hands trying to get all that color out, and it's not going to come out immediately. But like I said earlier, this is the last part of my summer color series. I will most likely be doing another one in the fall, but this is probably my last summer color, and I just don't want to say that I'm having another part, and I don't. So if you want to see what I look like all dolled up with makeup and a cute outfit, you should follow me on Instagram because I didn't record a video of me with my makeup done and stuff just because I did my hair at 2 in the morning and I wanted to get this content out for you guys as soon as I possibly could. So again, make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, watch other parts of my color series and other videos if you want, but if not, I'll see you guys later.